Okay, so I've taken off the protective cellophane here, and yep, I did make a little incision on the top here. So this is the latest from DJI. You still see version 2 kicking about. And here we go. Okay, so what we've got here, it's quite difficult to do this one-handed. Take this one out first. Right, so that could be, what do you think this is? Let's see. Looks like a tripod and a bag. It's a tripod and a bag. Take that side off. There we go, quite nice packaging. And instructions, quick start guide. Cool. And this, that's what came out there. So another bag, so you know, well packaged, has come all the way from China. Taken 5 weeks to deliver, just about 5 weeks. Peeling off nicely. Inside we have, I'm going to put the camera down for some. Inside we have this nice case. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Nice writing, DJI embossed. Cool. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, seeing this for the first time too. Open it a bit more. Okay, a sort of protective layer there. There we go. The Osmo Mobile free. So I will see if this needs charged and hook it up and give it a go. Okay, so on this side of the box was some stickers, I think, or pads. Looks like pads. USB cable and a tripod stand. This side looks like it's an Osmo bag, and sort of on your thing for attaching to this about there. So it seems to be locked in this position. Some instructions. Yeah, so I need to see how that works. So check back in a minute.